The United States has another tough message for Indians on illegal immigration. Visa restrictions have been slapped on Indian agency owners and officials allegedly tied to human smuggling networks. The action targets those believed to be facilitating illegal entry of Indian nationals into the US via Latin America. These restrictions are part of a broader immigration crackdown under President Donald Trump's 2025 enforcement agenda. Announced on 19th of May, the US State Department confirmed that these bans are already in effect. But how does the system really work? And what does it mean for Indians seeking the American dream? The action is being enforced under Section 212A3C of the US Immigration and Nationality Act. It applies even to individuals who would typically be eligible under the Visa Waiver Program. While specific names haven't been released yet, officials hint that more designations are likely as investigations continue. But for now, what we know is that the new visa bans specifically target travel agency owners, executives, and senior officials if found to be knowingly enabling irregular immigration. Illegal migration from India is on the rise. In the latest fiscal year alone, over 96,000 Indians were detained at the US-Mexico border and many more near Canada. Officials say a vast network of unregulated agents lures people with false promises of easy entry. Now, these agents operate across Punjab, Gujarat, Haryana, and South India. Victims often shell out as much as 80 lakh rupees for these high-risk journeys. Already this year, 682 Indians have been deported, many for attempting to enter the US illegally. So, how do these networks really work? The route is known as the infamous donkey route. Here is how it works. First, migrants are flown to Latin American nations like Ecuador or Panama, countries with relaxed visa rules. Then begins a dangerous overland journey through dense jungles, river crossings, and multiple borders. Then they finally attempt to cross into the US via Mexico, often using fake documents or seeking asylum. But the dangers are real: robbery, assault, arrest, or worse, death. So, how to stay safe? Now, if you're planning to visit or move to the US, be mindful of these points. Don't trust agents offering guaranteed entry or shortcuts. Always apply through official platforms like ustraveldocs.com/in. And when in doubt, contact the Indian Embassy or the MEA, because illegal immigration could get you banned for life. Follow and subscribe to Business Standard for more such videos.